Welcome back. How many primary schools follow the cabinet decision of Konkani or Marathi compulsory subject? What's the status of MOI bill given to the House committee? Grants for English primary school will continue or not? These questions bombarded on Chief Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar on first day of assembly session from BJP MLAs. Chief Minister says that government is firm that primary education should be in mother tongue, but government will also continue grants to the English medium school as it is a policy decision.
या सरकारान तेचेर एक कॅबिनेट डिसिजन घेतलेले जे फायनली बिल म्हणून या असेंब्लीन येयले आणि त्या बिलान सर्टन डिस्क्रिपन्सीज आसली आणि ते बिल फायनली सिलेक्ट कमिटीचेर दिले. ते सिलेक्ट कमिटी 3 टाइम्स ते बसले. ते आयज बसून फायनल जावन हे असेंब्लीन येवंक ना. हे म्हाका मुख्यमंत्रीक विचारपाक जाय की बाबा हे बिल केन्ना हे असेंब्लीन येतले.
एज ऑन द डे खंयच्याच स्कुलाक म्हणजे जेंकां ग्रँट दिल्ली चालू केल्ली त्या सगळ्यांक ग्रँट मेळटा आणि साधारणपणे ह्या सरकारची भूमिका ही प्राथमिक शिक्षण हे मातृभाषेतून जावचे हे साधारणपणे भूमिका आसा जी जगन्मान्य भूमिका आसा. पूण इतले आसून गोव्यात जी इंग्लीश शाळा आसल्यो प्राथमिक स्तराचेर आसल्यो तांकां ग्रँट दिली आणि त्यामुळे ती ग्रँट चालू उरतली ताका जो भंय दिसता की ना आता हे बंद करतले.
On the other side, Forum for Rights of Children Education started their protest at Azad Maidan on Monday. Many parents are on a chain hunger strike. They want the government to frame law on cabinet decision to give grants to the primary English school.
We want the government to act this time because the parents are getting, we have called only few schools today. This is the crowd of only few schools and this program, this hunger strike will go on till the last day of the assembly.
आमकां 4 वर्सां जालीं सरकार फटयता आयज कोत्ता फाल्यां कोत्ता म्हणटा. इंग्लीश आमच्या भुरग्यांक जायच कित्याक त्या भुरग्यांच्या फ्युचरा पासत आनी भुरग्यांक पोटाक वयचे पासत. कोंकणी आमची मायभास म्हणून आमी जाणाच आनी आमी ती उलयतलींच पूण आमच्या भुरग्यांक आपल्याच्या फ्युचरा पासत इंग्लीश शिकोवंक सरकारान दिवंकूच जाय.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
North Goa rent-a-cab operators have reiterated their demand to regularize their services in the state. They have threatened of severe agitation. The operators gave a memorandum to Transport Director on Monday. They say the police harassed them for giving their car on rent to the tourist.
वर्स्ट काम वर्स्ट करतले आमी कितें गांव भायले न्हू गव्हर्मेंटाक आयज हाडलेलो कित्याक आमचे भुरग्यांचे बेनिफीट जातले सगळ्यांचे बेनिफीट जातले म्हणून हाडलेलो पूण आयज आमकां जर अशें येयल्ले झगडचे पडटा जाल्यार कशें जातलें.
The operators have also alleged of police harassment.
गव्हर्मेंटान असेंब्लीक इश्यू काडचो काय पुलिसांक एसपीक ऑर्डर काडची आमकां मातशें हॅरेसमेंट करपाक बंद करचें म्हणून एक दीस आमकां सुशेग ना. फक्त हे पुलिसांची पोटां भरता हितून कांय कोणाचो फायदो ना. आमचे आहा ते आमचे ओन आमचे पॉकेटांतले पयशे सद्याक वयल्या हे पुलिसांक दिवपाक एक गाडयेक 2000 ते आमकां आमचे पयशे घेता एक गाडयेचे. हे आतां कोण घेता एमएलए कोण पळयता आमकां कोण पळयना. आमचे पयशे आमी मोडटा बोल्सांतले आमच्या कितें करपाक इन्स्टॉलमेंट भरपाचे गाडयांचे काय हांकां पुलिसांक पयशे दिवपाचे हे कितें जालां आमकां कांयच समजना.
Earlier, CM had informed that permit to rent a car will not be allowed in the state. Now the operators are aggrieved with the government and have demanded regularizing their services. Dinesh Karpe for Prudent.
A crocodile carcass was found on Miramar Beach on Monday morning. Forest Department has sent the crocodile carcass for post-mortem. They informed that reason of death will be ascertained only after the post-mortem report. Locals in Miramar immediately informed the forest official after the carcass was seen on the shore. Some days back, a crocodile was spotted on Morji Beach. SP, 2 home guards and other 3 civilians were killed in Gurdaspur terror attack. Terror returned to Punjab after more than a decade living behind a trail of death and destruction. A group of heavily armed terrorists launched a suicide attack at a police station in Dinanagar in Gurdaspur. The attack site in Dinanagar, which is very close to the international border with Pakistan, saw security forces and 3 terrorists engaging in an almost 12-hour gun battle before all the attackers were killed. With the killing of all 3 terrorists, Punjab declared that operation to be over 12 hours after the terror attack. Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.